Welcome to our channel. Here we are about to experiment to show the power of hand washing. A teacher did an experiment to show the power of hand washing. And you can't stay unimpressed. The point of the experiment. At the beginning of winter, when flu season had just started, Jaralee Metcalf, a behavioral specialist from Idaho Falls Elementary School, shared that she was tired of always being sick. Although the spread of bacteria in her class was inevitable, she wanted to show the kids why they needed to wash their hands to kill germs. To explain how bacteria spread and why it's important to wash your hands well and often, Jaralee came up with a simple classroom activity with her students. She asked several kids with various levels of hand cleanliness to touch 5 pieces of white bread that were taken from the same loaf, at the same time. Then, they put the bread in individual plastic bags to observe what would happen over the course of 1 month. The first piece was rubbed on all of the classroom laptops. The second one was a control piece. It wasn't touched. It was placed immediately in the plastic bag and labeled fresh and untouched. The third piece of bread was touched by the whole class using unwashed hands. For piece number 4, the whole class washed their hands with warm water and soap and, again, touched the slice. And for bread piece number 5, they cleaned their hands with hand sanitizer and then touched it. A slice wiped on laptop, so a month later the Chromebook rubbed slice looked worse than all the other specimens. As the teacher explains, at their school they do sanitize the laptops. Obviously they didn't do that for the project. The effect of soap and warm water. The only slice of bread that didn't have the obvious bacteria on it was example number 4. It was the one that was touched by hands that were just washed with warm water and soap, which clearly showed the children why they should wash their hands often. The dirty hands slice example number 3, the dirty hands slice, was covered in spectacular mold growths 1 month later and didn't need any additional explanation. The hand sanitizer slice. An interesting thing is that specimen number 5, the hand sanitizer slice, turned out to have a lot of bacteria too. So this is a clear example that hand sanitizer can't replace proper hand washing with soap. Jaralee shared the results of the project on Facebook to tell parents teach their kids to wash their hands well, and this simple project immediately spread to hundreds of other schools and families. The hand sanitizer slice shook us a little. How about you? How do you teach your kids that they need to wash their hands properly? We'd be happy to hear from you in the comment section below.